Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video, I will show you how to fix screen not responding to touches on Infinix Smart 20. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on restart. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset phone. If you want to fix this problem, so click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so click on settings app and click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix not responding to touches on Infinix Smart 20. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.